Yangoutool Ratchet PX Cinch Tool. Innovative? Newly designed PX Cinch tool makes the cinch much easier. It is easy to switch between cinch and remove. Effortless. The ratcheting, design and self-release mechanism ensures a complete crimp. Environment-friendly handles are made of TPR. Comfortable radiant design. IWISS PX Cinch Tool. Ratchet and self-releasing mechanism ensure completed crimp plumbing. Tools fit all PX cinch clamps except for Zern, quick clamp factory adjusted and does not require any additional calibration or adjustment work with stainless steel clamps of sizes 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4 and 1 inch with calibration gauge, comfortable to operate thanks to a rubber coating handle and 20% longer handle, saving 30% work pressure. Pony 8510 BP Cabinet. The cabinet claw is a unique tool, which combines the multiple steps of face, frame cabinet installation into one easy process. Clamp specifications: works on styles from 1-1/2 inch to 2 inch. Jaw width 2 inch. Throat depth 1-1/2 inch. Minimum opening 2 inch. Maximum opening capacity April 7 16 inch. Easy use to install and highly durable. IRWIN Quick Grip Bar Clamp. New quick change button easily converts clamp to spreader. New removable swivel jaws and non-marring pads. I-beam bar design reduces bending and flexing even under extreme pressure. 300 pounds of sustained clamping pressure. One-handed quick release trigger releases the clamp instantly. Pony 56 2-1/2 deep reach clamp. Features a special deep reach head, which allows you to micro-adjust your tightness from the outboard end of your clamp. The design is perfect for tight jobs where traditional pipe clamps may not work. Pipe not included. Made in USA. Fixed head can be